Hello friends, welcome to my new video on Corona. But this is not the Corona due to COVID-19. It is an effect in high voltage power transmission system. By the end of this video, you will be able to answer the following questions. Explain Corona effect on power transmission lines. What are the causes of Corona discharge? What are the disadvantages of Corona? What are the advantages of Corona? What are the factors affecting Corona? And how can we reduce the effect of Corona? So corona effect or corona discharge is an electrical discharge caused by the ionization of fluid such as air surrounding a conductor that is electrically charged. And the corona discharges can cause an audible hissing or cracking noise as it ionizes the air around the conductors. The corona effect can also produce a violet glow as you can see from the figure, and it also produces ozone gas around the conductor, radio interference and electrical power loss. The corona effect will occur in high voltage systems unless sufficient care is taken to limit the strength of surrounding electric field. And how it happens? Corona effect occurs naturally due to the fact that air is not perfectly insulated, containing many free electrons and ions under normal conditions. When an electric field is established in the air between two conductors, the free ions and the electrons in the air will experience a force. And due to this effect, the ions and free electrons get accelerated and move in the opposite direction. And the charged particles during their motion collide with one another and also with slow moving uncharged molecules. Thus, the number of charged particles increases rapidly. And if the electric field is strong enough, a dielectric breakdown will happen at a voltage called the critical disruptive voltage. This critical disruptive voltage is the minimum phase neutral voltage at which corona occurs, and this leads to dielectric breakdown, and the effects will happen like a glow, hissing sound, production of ozone, etc. So the effects of corona. The effects of corona are basically the one we can observe is the light or the bluish glow, and the light to be visible it should exceed a voltage called the visual critical voltage, and it is the phase to neutral voltage at which corona glows appear all along the line of the conductor. Also it produces ultraviolet radiation, sound which is of hissing or cracking nature as caused by the explosion gas expansion, and it also produces ozone, and it produces a smell of ozone, also causes radio interference, nitric and other various acids, and also salt, sometimes seen as white powder deposit. Now the factors affecting corona loss or corona. Basically it depends on the line voltage. The line voltage of the conductor is the main determining factor of corona discharge in transmission lines. At low values of voltage, the stress on the air is not high enough to cause dielectric breakdown, and hence no electrical discharge occurs. With increasing voltage, the corona effect in a transmission line occurs due to the ionization of atmospheric air surrounding the conductors, and it is mainly affected by the conditions of the cable as well as the physical state of the atmosphere. And the other factors affecting are atmospheric conditions. As the voltage gradient for dielectric breakdown of air is directly proportional to the density of air, hence in a stormy day, due to continuous airflow, the number of ions present surrounding the conductor is far more than normal, and hence it's more likely to have electrical discharge in transmission lines on such a day compared to other day with the fairly clear weather. And the system has to be designed considering those extreme conditions. And then the condition of conductors. This particular phenomenon depends highly on the conductors and its physical condition. It has an inverse proportionality relationship with the diameter of the conductors. That is, the increase in diameter, the effect of corona on power system reduces considerably. Also, the presence of dirt or roughness of the conductor reduces the critical breakdown voltage, making the conductors more prone to corona losses. Hence, in most cities and industrial areas having high pollution, these factors is of reasonable importance to counter the ill effects it has on the system. and then the spacing between conductors. As already mentioned, for corona to occur in the spacing between the conductor lines effectively should be much higher compared to the diameter. But if the length gets increased beyond a certain limit, the dielectric stress on the air reduces and consequently the effect of corona reduces as well. If the spacing is made too large, then corona for that region of the transmission line might not occur at all, but it depends. Then the disadvantages of corona. The main thing is that corona results in power loss in the form of light or noise, etc. And this power loss, like corona, result in operating inefficiencies and increase the cost of service for all ratepayers. And there are some advantages of corona as well, and they are the maximum electrostatic stress is reduced, then the probability of flashover is reduced, the system performance is somewhat improved, and the virtual increase in the diameter of the conductor and the effects of transient produced by lightning and other causes are reduced as well. Okay, now how to reduce corona loss? It can be reduced by increasing the conductor size. A larger conductor diameter results in a decrease in the corona effect, and increasing the distance between the conductors, increasing the spacing between conductors decreases the effect of corona, and then using bundle conductors. Bundle conductors increase the effective diameter of the conductor and hence reduce the corona effect. And finally, by using corona rings. The electric field is stronger where there is a sharp conductor curvature. Because of this, corona discharge occurs first at the sharp points, edges and corners. Corona rings thus reduce the corona effect by rounding out conductors, that is making them less sharp. They are used as at the terminals of the high voltage equipment. A corona ring is electrically connected to the high voltage conductor encircling the points where the corona effect is most likely to occur, and this encircling significantly reduces the sharpness of the surface of the conductor, distributing the charges across a wider area. This in turn reduces the corona discharge. So you can see it from the diagram on the transmission line. These are the corona rings. So this reduces the loss by reducing the sharpness, and this is also a corona ring, and this is a zoom version of the corona ring. Okay, that is all for this video. Thank you. If you like the video, please do subscribe.